Fambul them unado this na Alpha Saidu Bangwa. They bring to another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word today Monday September 4 2017. In this edition I go prove to one more time say President Ernest Koroma and the APC they're not ready for conduct free and fair elections. They're not sincere and then think say we the people of Sierra Leone, the people who not get sense. I go also appeal to we Supreme Court judges for make them copy the example of the Supreme Court na the Republic of Kenya. We don't show good example to all African judicial official them. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, President Ernest Koroma been tell we in February of this year say the democratic credentials where in meet President Ahmad Tijan Kaba and the SLPP don't gain where Salon people don't they enjoy. Him go make sure say he keep up to him, especially na this 2018 election where they come. But from that 10 day to now, all the thing the way he don't do don't clearly show say he not sincere, he not genuine. I believe say some partner go don say after we National Electoral Commission don't register people them when them pull waiting and they call the provisional register where na the first register them go pull for make people and go look for make sure say yes their name then did it and then properly registered. Then notice that provisional register they say over 300,000 people that will be don't register, they don't give them the ID, everything, the name they not show up that provisional register day. When they investigate the case properly, they know say the APC hire one Ghanaian we broke into the National Electoral Commission, then database, then computer system, and pull there over 300,000 people in there because President Ernest Koroma and the APC, they want for discredit the National Electoral Commission. They want let the people of Sierra Leone lost the faith and the confidence where una get in the National Electoral Commission. They even the plan for pull the chairman of the National Electoral Commission, Mr. Unfa Ali Conte, and the Western Area Commissioner Miata French, because they don't see say the APC not able for manipulate them two people and they don't see Chairman Unfa Ali Conte in commitment. They don't see Miata French in determination for conduct free and fair elections. And then no say if free and fair elections happen at Salon, then conduct free and fair elections at Salon, then the APC go come out because the people of Salon don't get sense. Don't see say the APC na corrupt political party, the APC na thiefman and thiefuman and they. But we they wait them. If they venture pull Unfa Ali and Miata French, I want let all the registered political party they know say the Constitution of Sierra Leone when at the Supreme Law, it clearly states say anytime where they want for pick any member of the Electoral Commission, all the political party that will register as Salon must be consulted. And the spirit behind that, now for make sure say, all the registered political party them, make sure say them pick commissioner them will not go be biased. Commissioner they will not get no political party affiliation. Commissioner they will go be free from corruption. Commissioner them will go ensure that themselves create a level and clear playing field for make everybody participate freely and fairly. So if them pull, the people out in the plan for pull, Unfali, Conte, and Miata French, the political party they not go agree. And I can always tell APC, they say, the days of SI Koma and Papa Sheki don't pass. These days, now, anybody will try to do anything wrong, it will meet a strong resistance from the people of Sierra Leone. And when they do that, we go take the case, can go na ECOWAS, we can go na the African Union, we already get division for deal with them kind of case then they. Then go Abob say we go take and can go now we won't court them. Usa you get corrupt judges them where then go influence. Well, we know they do that again. And for that make anything then they do with the expose them, with they make sure say the one whole world know for when the case go come tomorrow, people then go see exactly what happened. We will show trick not happen at this election. And I want for assure all the registered voters in a salon say the National Electoral Commission, they on top of this crook where APC don't play. And very soon, they will pull another provisional register. We'll go get everybody in it. And I will also encourage people and for go back now the centers the way the National Electoral Commission get for tell una say the provisional register and go there. For now, I go check for una name them. Now that make them the pull this provisional list for me. Everybody go check for make sure say name the day. If you name no day, then go register you back. You still get chance for do that. After that period, we then go state done. Now that then go pull the final register. And trust me, this electoral commission will get so. Now sincere people and they the one possible they we want mix pan cook, they not go get a chance. We know say APC don't bribe them, but he not go get chance. For now, I not go call that commissioner they name at the wait force. Let the money where APC gam, let it don't sweet and good. Let it try for do anything dubious or incorrect. That time they go no say yes. We know say APC don't bribe them. Fellow Silonians, the APC they right now are scared than they scared. That bluff way President Anas Koma been bluff say in the work, good work. So the 2018 election I walk over for them. They don't see say that one day una don't faint and they lie. Because una the people of Sierra Leone, una they see from where President Anas Koma come 30 days, nothing no day where don't do a benefit una. Even the road the way be the bluff say he make, where go take loan, where una the people of Sierra Leone get for pay with interest. All the road that they don't pull. That ABA no kind don't pull all. Because the construction company them will give that contract they them bribe them and not to better construction company that way will do good work. They don't mortgage to country to them Chinese them. Look even that toll road, that toll booth to them put. Una all go see say them put them for make them go able for offset a loan where they go take to the Chinese. The loan would then take to the Chinese then are for $161 million. Almost more to Cardinal Salon, where they use that toll booth, they will go able for offset that kind of loan day. Now rubbish. Then just one for me the Chinese then can continue for Milkway. And that company they will bring that toll booth there. Now a private Chinese company, not even the government of China. All landed for show now how APC corrupt. Then go make arrangement with the Chinese people here. Every bit of the country now, the Chinese then they in charge. We mining industry, the Chinese then they.